Hi, are you staying here?
Oh no, I'm Queenie. I'm new property agent with Yin Homes. Are you looking to rent?
Oh, sorry, I
need to show you.
No.
Welcome to your new home at Villa Flora.
The open concept living and dining area boasts high ceilings, large windows, and premium flooring, creating a bright and inviting atmosphere perfect for relaxation and entertaining. Each bedroom is equipped with a mattress, cupboard, and the best part is...
Can you feel the coolness, bro?
Yeah, why?
Because got aircon.
The kitchen is completed with a stove, refrigerator, and built-in oven, which is definitely a chef's dreams. And right over here, there is a washing machine and also a cozy small room, perfect for transforming it into your own personal storage space. Additionally, the balcony offers the best view of the swimming pool.
Imagine creating a mini garden here and having a coffee in the morning with a swimming pool view. Just add a touch of luxury into your daily routine. Don't miss out this opportunity to make this move-in ready home your own. Let's schedule a viewing today. Want to find out more? Check out our website for our latest TTDI listing. See you next Friday in my next video.